Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Misha and we are on Mini Speaks. So today's video decided to make these masks. We were running out of masks at my home. We have only 2 masks remaining, and my husband goes, of course, time to time to do shopping for the family, or we need something at home. That's why I decided to make these masks. So I also thought that I would share that with you. Probably someone also needs to watch this, or you need a mask but you can't sew and you can't use a sewing machine. So I hope this would be helpful for you. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscription button if you're watching for the first time. Turn on that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Masks are not supposed to be replacement of any other measures put in place to fight the virus. Of course, we have to keep all other measures into consideration, and we have to keep following all the rules that are put into place to protect us. But please, most important, let us all stay home so we can protect those who are working to protect us. So I love you all, guys, and stay safe, stay at home, maintain hygiene, and of course, social distancing is very important. Okay, peace. I sign out.